morning, dear smarts. This is 10th class mathematics. I introduce in 1.5 exercise logarithms. Logarithms is a new friend of you. Logarithms. It's also most important in future. So logarithms. Already you have known in previous classes 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th onwards exponents and their formulas. You know what are exponents and their formulas. Actually in exponents, a power 0 equal to 1, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, or a power m whole power n equal to a power mn, a power mn, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, 1 by a power m. So like that, you know all these formulas, you know all these. And also children, you know, for example, 25 equal to 25 equal, how can we write 5 into 5, this is equal to 5 square. 25 equal to 5 square. 25 equal to what? 5 square. In logarithms, we can write this in logarithms log 25 to the base 5, log 25 to the base 5 equal to 2. Log 25 to the base 5 equal to 2. For example, what is the value of log 25? Log 25 to the base 5 equal to. We can solve log 25, we can write 5 square base 5. So, log 5 square 2 log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5 equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. So, log 25 base 5 equal to 2. So, from x, it is the exponential form. 5 square is the exponential form. From this form, in logarithms, we can write like this, log 25 base a equal to 2. So, generally, a power n equal to x, a power n equal to x implies log x base a equal to n. 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 Log means logarithm of. It is called in Telugu samvargamanalu. Logarithm means samvargamanalu. Logarithms samvargamanalu. This is called in Telugu samvargamanalu. So children, so copy down. In this exercise, all solutions based on mainly formulas. Solutions. If you know the formulas well, you get solution very easy, very simple. If you know the formulas well. Log, I tell you some formulas. Copy down and practice. Write each formula 5 times on your HW notebook and practice well, children. Then only you can solve easily the problems which are given in the exercise. So, okay. Log xy. Log xy to the base a. Log xy to the base a. log xy to the base a equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Log xy, log x base a plus log y base a. This is the form of a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus a power n equal to a power m plus like log x by y, log x by y to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Log x base a minus log y base a. Log x power m, very important. Log x power m to the base a equal to log x power m to the base a equal to m into log x to the base a, m log x base a, m log x base a. Next, log a base a equal to 1, log a base a equal to 1, log a base a, the value is 1. And children, log 1 base a, log 1 to the base a equal to 0, log 1 to the base a equal to 0, log 1 to the base a equal to 0. And also children, it's very important, log a power m, log a power m n equal to log a power m n equal to 1 by m log n to the base a, 1 by n, 1 by m log n to the base a power m equal to 1 by m log n base a, log n base a. This is, and another formula is also most important. A power log n to the base a power log n to the base a equal to n, equal to n. A power log n to the base a power log n to the base a equal to n. Here I wrote 7 formulas. Copied everything. Practice all these formulas. We use where it is necessary to solve the given problems. Okay. Now let's move to the exercise. Determine the value of the following. Determine the value of the following. Here, log 5 base 25. If there is no base here, we assume base is 10. There is no base here. Log 5 25. We can write this log 5 25, we can write 5 square 25. This is equal to log 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. Since a formula is there already, I give a formula. Log a power m base a equal to 1 by m log a base a. So this equal to 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5 1 by 2. The value is 1 by 2. And another one, third one, log 1 by 16 base 2, log 1 by 16 base 2. So we write this log 1 by 16 2 power equals 2 power here 2 power 4 log 2 power 4 1 by 2 power 4 2 power minus 4 by 2. This equal minus 4 log 2 base 2. This is minus 4 into 1 minus 4 because log a base a equal to 1. So copy down children. Text basics. It's very simple. Catch the concept how to solve. Log here base x. Try to this value also x. Try to write x. How can you write x? This is x power 1 by 2 base x. This equal to log x power m by log base x. This equal to 1 by 2 into log x base x. 1 by 2 into log x base x into 1. This equal to 1 by 2. The value is 1 by 2. Next. Seven. Zero point 0.01 base 10. Base 10. Mainly, you have to think what is base here 10. This value also equal to 10. Then it is easy to be solved. This equal to log. How can you write 0.01? We write 10 square. We write 1 by 100. Of course, 1 by 100 base 10. We write log 1 by 10 square base 10. 1 by 10 square means log 10 power minus 2 base 10. So, minus 2 into log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 1. This equal minus 2 into 1 minus 2. It's very simple. Copy down children. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. We write this a power m plus n. This is in the form of a power m plus n. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. So this equal to 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. This equal 2 square 4 into 2 power log 3 base 2. Here is the formula. A power log A base n equal to n. Log A base n equal to n. This is the formula. So, what is A here? 2. What is n? 3. So, 4 into 3. This is 12. If you know the formula, it is very easy to be solved. Copy down. Very next children. So write second one. Write the following expressions. Expressions as log n and find their values wherever possible, and find their values wherever possible. If you have textbook, watch textbook page number 23. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values wherever possible. Here the first one, log 2 plus log 5. Log 2, log 5. Write the following expressions, log n. Here there is no base, means 10 is the base value. We assume 10 is the base. Log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5. This is equal log 2 into 5. Log 2 into 5. Log 2 5s are 10. Log 10 base 10. This is equal to 1. Log 10 base 10, 1. Because log 10 base 10, of course we write 10 also. Log 10 base 10, 1. Next, third one. Three log 4 base 64. 3 log 4 base 64. This is equal to 3 log base 64. Log 4 64, we can write 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 64. 4 cube. This is equal to, we write 3 into 1 by 3 log 4 base 4. 3 3 cancel. 1 into 1, 1. This value is. I have given 6 formulas. Practice all those formulas. Write each and every formula 5 times. And also do the all sums which are given in the exercise 1.5. First and second in the first Roman and second Roman completely. Okay.